19 months at sea. Hoping to stay ahead of this thing. Circle Spain. Nowhere safe. We'll try Marseille next. Maybe the south of France is good. There's got to be a safe place somewhere. Sue had a heart attack. We had to let her go. I had to take care of it. Our 10th anniversary would have been in June. Holly keeps crying. She wants her mum back. She wants things the way they were. She wants to go home.
My name's Daryl Dixon. I come from a place called the Commonwealth. It's in America. I went out looking for something, and all I found was trouble. If I don't make it back, I want them to know I tried. Hell, I'm still trying. God loves you.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Bonjour. Vous inquiétez pas, ça va? Ça va? Monsieur?
I'm sorry, I don't understand you.
Hey! You American guy. You know I speak English very good. Was cracking noob. Venez. My grandfather, he hurt the ankle. Only small English, him.
Hello?
You get medical? We trade you for an apple or a rabbit, maybe.
Very good, rabbit. Merci.
Merci. Food there. So, where are you going to?
Where I came from.
Across the ocean.
Yeah.
Have a bonne chance. I'm Maribel. Hey, Guillaume. So maybe we go together, you know? Get somewhere safe, maybe. You can help us. We can help you find a way.
Hé, Yankee, t'as oublié la Seconde Guerre mondiale?
All the time we talk about World War II.
La résistance. US GIs fight together. Your country, my country. Like friends. You are no friends.
We ain't no countries no more neither. Attention, mec, derrière. Assis-toi. Assis-toi,
Je
dépêche-toi.
parle pas français. Sit down, he said.
Eh, bouge de là, grand-père. Avance. Je veux savoir ce que tu fous ici, toi?
Il est blessé, l'Américain nous a aidés. C'est tout.
Si, je t'ai déjà vu, toi. Vas-y, monte avec nous.
Laisse-moi! Laisse-moi!
Monte avec nous, je te dis.
Laisse-moi! Laisse-moi!
Arrête! Lâche-le, arrête!
Tu parles mal en plus.
Stop. Save the powder. Merci.
Can you get my medical bag?
You deserve a happy ending, too.
I'll find them. I'll bring them home. It's not like we're never gonna see each other again.
Ça va aller, bougez pas. Ça va aller, monsieur, mais le temps, ça bouge. Ne bougez pas. Voilà. Eh bien. Attention, ne bougez pas. Courage, allez-y. You feeling better? My name is Isabelle. There's no need to be afraid. You're a guest.
You always tie up your guess.
It was for your own safety.
Messed up one arm.
At least you still have it. You had a wound from a brûlant. Cauterization is the best way to prevent the spread.
For what?
A brûlant. A burner.
Dead ones at the morgue.
Here we call them les affamés. The hungry ones. Burner is just one kind.
All right.
May I?
Yeah. What is this place, like a convent or something?
We're a small community of nuns. Very small now. To 12 years. We survive here. Farming, gardening, scavenging. You're from America? A place called Commonwealth, right? Found your tape recorder. How did you come to be in France?
Bunch of bad decisions.
The cauterization is halting. Best to clean up. Avoid infection. I'll be back with the dressings. Monsieur Dixon.
Daryl. You call me Daryl.
Enchanté. I see your head. It's honey garlic to fight infection.
I see you've kept all your options open.
Over the years, our abbey has become part of a group called L'Union de l'Espoir, In's Union of Hope. Open to all messages of faith and perseverance. Believe humanity is enduring a test from which we will soon be delivered. Look up.
Yeah, I never put much stock in that.
God? Well, he put stuck in you. Lean forward. There's scars on your back.
Daddy was a smoker.
You have siblings?
Used to. Brother.
I had a sister. Lean back.
Looks like you have some too.
Parish priest used to say that our scars show that we have suffered, but more importantly, that we have healed from our suffering. You ought to get some air. I'll wait outside. Across the courtyard is where the sisters live. No men allowed.
What about the little boy I saw?
Laurent grew up here. With us, he was orphaned. Sœur Catherine? Sœur Adèle? Sœur Elodie? They're afraid of you.
I'll be gone soon.
Medieval churches often had weapons rooms. You needed them back then.
That makes sense.
We've trained ourselves to use them, just in case.
Killer nuns, huh?
Well, we can defend ourselves if we need to. Père Jean was a collector. His grandfather fought in the Maquis.
You got one missing.
That's the one I used. That's Père Jean's office.
You know how to use that radio?
It's been a while since I managed to reach anyone on it.
You mind if I give it a try?
Sure. Once you get better. The last one was a Spaniard. A few months ago. Spoke a bit of English. I can try reaching him again.
Your English is good.
My parents worked for Médecins Sans Frontières. They traveled all over. Bosnia, Chechnya, Rwanda. My sister and I finished our schooling in Paris.
How'd you end up here?
A bunch of good decisions. The abbey was already being modernized by the time I came. The hope was to convert the land into an agricultural property that would support us, fund our mission. It's been enough to keep us going. Take a seat. I'll be right back.
Cet homme n'a pas sa place ici.
Ça sert à quoi si on peut pas offrir leur refuge à un pèlerin blessé?
Je pense que c'est donc cet homme-là.
J'ai vu se battre contre les guerriers. J'ai vu sa force.
Sa place est parmi les brutes et les impies. Là-bas, dehors. Il n'est pas des nôtres. C'est quelqu'un qui vit sans Dieu.
Comme moi autrefois.
Now you try. My record is 3 minutes and 12 seconds.
I'm not really good at shit like that.
No? No, I'm quite good at shit like that. Math, problems, science, music, geography. Also, I know all the countries and capitals from back before time. Père Jean taught me everything. Pardon my manners, monsieur. I'm Laurent. Pleased to make your acquaintance. How many people do you think live within the boundaries of what was once France? Starting from 67 million people before the fall, I speculate current French populace of fewer than 200,000.
I was gonna say way less.
Much less. Do you know how long it would take to repopulate that many people?
No.
6 generations. Perhaps 7. Hurts my stomach, just thinking about it.
Yeah, the math sucks.
Do you have children, monsieur? A wife? Parents?
No. No, nothing like that.
But you're homesick. I see in your eyes.
What, are you a shrink?
I feel things in my stomach. I feel your sadness. Not to despair, Monsieur Dine. But you deserve a happy ending, too.
Laurent! Récitation, dépêche-toi.
Time for poetry. Père Jean waits. Now you try.
Everything, okay, everything has all gone pear-shaped. It means bad.
Pear-shaped.
Ouais, en forme de poire. Je sais pas, c'est bizarre.
On cherche 2 hommes. Apparemment, ils seraient passés par cette route-là il y a quelques jours.
Désolé, monsieur, on n'a rien vu.
Merci. Dis-moi ce que tu sais, t'auras une récompense.
Il est faible et vieux, il veut pas d'ennui.
Et tout message serait sanctionné.
Il y a un mec qui est venu pour nous dépouiller et il y a 2 types comme vous qui sont venus nous aider, c'est tout.
Et après?
Après, on est parti, on s'est enfui.
Il était mort de trouille.
Ça s'est passé où?
S'il vous plaît, monsieur. C'est quoi la récompense?
Allons là-bas. Maintenant.
Sur la montagne des Mantes, sur la mer, sur les bateaux.
What the hell are you doing?
This is Père-Jean. We are waiting for him to rise again.
Laurent, ça suffit. Tu peux aller m'attendre au jardin. Let me explain.
You got a lot of witchy shit going on around here. Dead priest in a closet and a creepy kid? No thanks.
It's not what you think.
Doesn't matter what I think. I'm out of here.
You can't leave, not without us. We've been waiting for you. You're the messenger
The messenger?
to deliver Laurent. He drew this.
Yeah, you should stick to math.
3 weeks ago, before you came.
Drew a guy on a beach. So what?
I saw you fight the guy. Yeah, I know you can get him there safely.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Our leader is a Buddhist monk. He came through on a pilgrimage some years ago. He recognized something in Laurent, an answer to a prophecy. Union has a base up north, a community that will raise and nurture him to be who he was born to be.
Who was born to be?
6 months ago, La Marimpoche said it was time. Père Jean was supposed to escort him, but... Well, you saw.
Yeah, I did. You got him locked up, thinking the prayers and poetry won't fix him.
Laurent is special. I think you see that.
Do I?
His mother died in childbirth. He shouldn't have survived that. It's a miracle he's even alive.
Can I borrow this?
He's shown abilities, perceptions, compassion beyond any child. He sees into people.
We used to have a kid like that in grade school. He used to get his ass kicked a lot. I'm gonna borrow this, too.
He needs
all right?
teaching, guidance we cannot provide. He'll be safer there, nurtured, until he's ready.
Ready for what?
To be the new Messiah. To lead the revival of humanity. Don't you see? This is why you're here. This is why you washed ashore. This is why I was on the road that day. This is why you were saved. Everything happens for a
You
reason.
fire this thing up?
The tube broke a month ago.
What?
I've been trying to get a replacement.
You've been fucking with me.
There's a port up north that may still be active.
Show me.
Le Havre. We've heard rumors of ships that come and go. But it's just rumors.
What is this route that's marked out right here?
It's Père Jean's plan to get the boy up north. These are stops, places where we have friends who can help to connect us. Radio frequencies. It's a treacherous path north. Hard to find your way. Harder if you don't speak French.
On était là, on demandait rien à personne et il y a un gars qui est arrivé, il nous a supplié de lui donner à manger.
Henri, on était à l'école ensemble. C'est mon frère?
Il est où, Michel? Michel! 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 Qui a fait ça?
Un Américain.
Il y a des traces de sang ici. Et il y a ça.
C'est une fille de l'abbaye qui affiche ça partout. Sœur Isabelle.
Amène-moi voir les bonnes sœurs. Notre miséricorde. La voilà ta récompense, toi.
Could be fine. Besides, the kid likes it here. You're safe. You got lucky.
He's lonely. He's grown up with no friends, no father figure. He needs other children, teachers.
Staying alive is more important.
He's got a greater destiny than just surviving.
What does he think about your plan, huh?
Au revoir, Monsieur Daryl. Nous nous reverrons. That means we shall meet again.
He doesn't know about any of it. He's young. It's too much to put on him.
Look, I've already made plans. I ain't looking to make any more.
The world is lost, we know that. Hope fades gradually and then all at once. If we're wrong, at least you will have helped a boy get to a better place. But if we're right, why not bet on hope?
It ain't my problem.
Il n'y a pas de honte à espérer. Mais il est parti. Alors ce n'était pas lui.
Bonjour, ma mère. Je cherche un fugitif, un Américain.
Nous sommes en Vêpres, Monsieur Caudron.
On va rentrer, ma mère. D'une manière ou d'une autre, on va rentrer.
Ouvrez la porte. Cachez l'enfant et tenez-vous prête.
nous protéger des guerriers.
On va se protéger mieux. Tu fermes derrière moi. Tu sors pas.
S'il vous plaît, monsieur, ce n'est pas nécessaire.
On n'a pas d'homme ici.
Vous êtes sœur Isabelle? On a trouvé ça. Juste à côté que deux de mes hommes aient été tués. Il y en a un qui était mon frère.
Je les colle partout où je vais.
Martin, on te la garde. Reçu. Richard, Philippe, à gauche. Les autres, avec moi. Dispersez-vous. Jérémy, avec moi. On y va.
Venez voir. Par là.
Pourquoi vous le gardez ici, celui-là?
Bénis soient les miséricordieux. Nous avons certaines croyances. La rédemption des âmes, même celle des maléfiques, même celle des affamés.
La baïonnette. Vise la tête.
Père Jean.
Allez.
S'il vous plaît, monsieur.
Après que nos hommes ont été tués, t'es passé par là. D'accord? Alors maintenant, tu vas parler. Sinon, nous, on va faire ce qu'on sait faire. Achève-le.
Philippe Poulin, je te connais. Tes parents venaient prier ici.
Vas-y, je te dis.
Je t'ai enseigné le catéchisme. Père Jean t'a confessé.
Allez, termine cette saloperie là. Allez.
Pardonnez-moi, mon père.
Non, Sergent! Non! Oh mon Dieu, non! Sergent!
C'est quoi, Lucie, ici, là? Ils sont où, ses parents?
Ils sont morts.
Nous l'avons recueilli.
On le prend avec nous.
Non.
Produis un guerrier pour jeûner.
Occupez-vous des sœurs. Les autres, avec moi.
Non, laissez-le!
Avance.
You don't believe. Maybe you never saw a reason to. But one thing I know. Reasons are everywhere. C'est le remède d'un monde malade. Peut-être est-ce bien celui qu'on attendait.
Nos sorts rejoint la Terre.
They're with the angels now. Are we lost, Izza?
We're never lost, Uka.
ask me how I got here. I left home looking for something. I figured there had to be something out there worth finding. And I ran into some bad people. They put me on a boat. That didn't go well. And I washed ashore here. And I ran into a nun. You can take me to that place, right? That place with the port.
Yes.
All right, then. I'll take you where you need to go.
We were the Gulf of Cadiz when the prisoners escaped. It was beyond our control.
C'est votre navire, capitaine. Who's in control, if not you?
Madame Genet, a captain is only good as his crew.
My father fished these waters. Small trawler. He'd got for days at a time. And no matter how hard things got, he knew one thing. Crew is only as good as their captain. Docteur. Vous faites un topo?
La plupart de nos expériences sont détruites. Certains sujets sont peut-être encore utilisables, mais celui qui a fait ça, c'est un vrai désastre pour nous. Allez, descendez-les du bateau. Emmenez-les dans les camions. Allez!
3 years to get this ship seaworthy. And now, whole endeavor scuttled because of what? One American?
We didn't manage to stop the mutiny.
Did you? Congratulations. And the man?
Overboard, presumed dead.
Presumed. By who? By you? Who was he?
He was named Dixon.
Dixon. C'est un début. S'il n'est pas mort, trouvez-le-moi.
Lord, I'm sure you have your reasons for turning the whole world upside down. But if this isn't good enough for you, I don't know what is.
You hear that? It's Paris crying.
I feel sorry for them. I want to know what the world was like before.
You can't miss what you never had.
Strange to see you again after all these years.
You got someone in here that can help me get home? I'm in Maine, by the coast. I'll tell you all about it when I see you. Well, I'll be there in about a week.
Ce monde nouveau est à nous, et aujourd'hui, nos ennemis vont payer.
Je vous convaincrai de mon utilité ici.
He deserves to know who he is.
Je te promets qu'une fois dans l'or, chacun connaîtra sa place.
Today you die!